Hi, my friend. Welcome back with me, Hildegard. Yay! I have many truck, my friend. Wow. Which one is a yellow color, blue color, orange, and yellow, green? WADIDAW! Mantul. Wow. We found a toys. Wow, WADIDAW! Look at this. This is a brontosaurus. Wow. The dinosaur. The neck is long. WADIDAW. Mantul. I took in the truck, right? WADIDAW. Mantul. Hello, brontosaurus. And the next is the wow. I found a King Kong. WADIDAW. The color is black. Widdy. That's amazing. Wow. Yeah. Sit here, King Kong. Wow. I found a turtle. The turtle is yellow. WADIDAW. Mantul. Hey, yellow turtle. Yes. And the next is wow. I found a duck. The color duck is yellow. WADIDAW. I found a duck. Yay. The son of duck is quack. Yay. I took in the truck. And the next is WADIDAW. The king of dinosaur. It's a T-Rex. Wow, that's amazing. WADIDAW. The T-Rex looks amazing, right, my friend? Widdy. I took it in the truck. Yes, and the next is WADIDAW. The biggest T-Rex. WADIDAW. The T-Rex is so amazing, right, my friend? Widdy. That's cool. The T-Rex. The color T-Rex is brown and red. Wow. The teeth so sharp, right? WADIDAW. That's amazing. Wow. I took in the truck, right? Widdy. That's amazing, my friend. And the next is wow. I found a cow. WADIDAW. The color cow is white. Widdy. That's cool. I found a cow and I took in the truck. And the next is what? That's a deer. The color is gray. The gray deer. WADIDAW. That's amazing, my friend. Whoa. I took in the truck, right? Yeah, the toys is complete. And the next is let's go truck. Wow, the truck's so big. WADIDAW. Many truck. Wow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 truck. WADIDAW. Mantul. Whoa. Go truck, go. Let's go. Yeah. Wow, I found the toys and I want to go home and play with it. Yeah. Let's go home, my truck. Go. Yeah, we did it. We in the home now. Yeah, the toys so complete. Yes. And bye, my friend. See you in the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe, yeah, my friend. Bye. Mantul. WADIDAW.